Some of you have been waiting for this showdown. Let's take a look at the two products in comparison. Two sealing shampoos. Here we have the Koch Chemie Ceramic Effect Shampoo, and on the other side we have the ServFaces Hydro Ceramic Shampoo. Two sealing shampoos with really good water repellent properties. And now the question arises, which one should I buy? Which one better? What can I recommend to you here? Let's go. According to the manufacturer's instructions, you need 50 ml of the Koch Chemie Ceramic Effect Shampoo for 10 liters of water. I have now prepared both buckets, here in the pink one. And over there in the blue one, I've prepared 5 liters as well. That means we just break it down. 25 ml for 5 liters of water. We will give you a little of the product into the wash. I don't need the full 10 liters for this comparison test. So that means we need 25. Here we have 30, 20, 25. Fits perfectly. I'm also rinsing out the cup a bit. Here with the surface bottle, we also don't need a measuring cup, which is already a big advantage. And I recommend using 35 ml for 5 liters here. If you've never worked with the shampoo before, if you work with it regularly, you can easily go down to 20 ml per 5 liters. But if you calculate that up, you're actually right around the dosage level of Koch Chemie. But now we're going to take the 35 ml, just open the cap here on top. We can leave the lid on. And now we're going to take the 20, like 13 ml, 35 in liters. Pour it in here. Now we can pour it all. Pour it in fully. That means all is ready. Time for wash. Bare clean paint. The water is slowly receding, but we have a closed water carpet, so we want to behave in a way that prevents any issues. I brought 2 gloves. They're exactly the same. One is coming in here with ServFaces and the other one over there with Koch Chemie. And then we can start washing here. So we now have a dense water film. I'm foaming it by hand. And now just become here. Wash directly over it with the Koch Chemie. Stand 10-15 centimeters to Kia, keep line. Up to 10-15 centimeters towards the Kia logo. And not all the way to the other side, so we still have a separation line area so that we can compare it better. So we can compare here. I'm going to go over it. Not too far. Towards the middle, so we still have a nice comparison. Now let's let this sit for a few more seconds. And then we'll take a look at the direct comparison. You can already see with both the water film is slowly breaking here. But we can take a look how to compare. I find the behavior of the ServFaces side slightly a bit better. Write your opinion down below. When you have the two side by side like this, I think you would, just by paying close attention, you can notice a few small details. I can mainly see it on the runoff paths. We have a few more drops on the lines here. There are some here as well, but definitely fewer in number. You can also see it over there. Also these long water paths. So behavior-wise, ServFaces is a tiny tick over Koch Chemie. Let's review. A tick, but really just a tiny tick ahead of Koch Chemie. In this comparison. We can take another look. Both are super easy to apply. We're going to find out the dwell time now. The two are now going into the long-term test. I'm going to apply a second layer now to see if we can maybe improve this even further with a subsequent wash. I'm going to wash this again. Just have to be careful that I don't go too far over. But we still have the separation in the middle. And here we can take a look again to go over it. If runoff behavior that can still be improved, or if that was already the behavior from the runoff. What we've seen here is also quite interesting for you. Both are really very, very strong. So both of them just impress me. Feel free to write me your favorite down below. I think now, after the second round, there's actually hardly any difference to be seen. You now have difficult choice. Both are really absolutely top-notch. Application-wise, it's super easy, just wash with it normally. Seals the vehicle paint, both are absolutely top. Here, it's really about the details, and there are a few very small differences. Let's start with the bottle. I like the look, that's very subjective. The bottle is a little better, both in terms of handling and grip. The bottle's top has a dosing head. Easing use is that the dosing head is included at the top here. So this bottle is really more pleasant for me in terms of handling overall. Here, I have to use a measuring cup. Having it on hand or pre-dosing it at home. But when you compare them one to one, the point clearly goes to the bottle. Here on the surface, processing, they're identical. In terms of how they perform, I have to say whether you notice the 5 to 10% difference in performance, you really notice more of it in everyday life. I think I'll definitely give both of them a point. For me, they're completely equal. In terms of scent, both are definitely very pleasant. And now both of them are going into the long-term test. One more point about the dosing. Here we have 50 ml for 10 liters of water. Here we have, let me take a close look, 20 to 35 per 5 liters, which means calculated out to 40 to 70. So generally speaking, the dosing here is a bit higher. I'm going to calculate the consumption for you again here. If you work with the same dosing here, you'll find the euro amounts again at the top. But I think they're both so close together, and you have to emphasize clearly, both of them are just not expensive to use because you don't need any additional spray sealant. You've got everything, you decide for yourselves. For me, these are two really good products, both in the long-term test. If I had to decide today before the long-term test, I would choose the Surface because of the bottle here. Throw them, catch one, take it. Throw them up, catch one of the two, and that's the one you take. Until next time, thanks guys. Ciao. Let's start the long-term test.